Hi guys, Jake from Full Access UTV. Hey, finally out to do another video, and today we're going to talk about our new harness bar we came out with. A lot different than everything else that's been out on the market, so we're pretty proud of it. Customers have been asking us for a really long time to come out with something that they can get their leg room out of their KRX, and they can get their stuff stored behind the seat out of their KRX. Everybody knows, that's why I know. Bought the KRX because it was comfy, had the leg room. Really sucks that the aftermarket harness bars out there are, you cannot put the seat back all the way, and even with the Click 6, you can't put the seat back all the way. So we had to come up with something a little different. So we did. So this is our new harness bar. It's specific to the KRX 1000. It mounts directly to the subframe of the KRX, which is the strongest part of the KRX. And it is strong. It is almost a ½ an inch thick where it mounts, and this is a good safety device. With safety in mind, there's one thing to say. Ditch these guys. I can't say it enough. I don't care if you're older and you're just out trail riding and you know your wife doesn't like the seatbelt on her boobs. I said boobs. That comfort that she's looking for is really what's going to hurt her really bad when you guys get in an accident. Slightly just tipping off in the rocks, or you're just on the road, you fall off and you hit the side. These things are inadequate to hold you in. They don't do anything to you. They're not going to do it. And if you guys are in a higher speed accident, they're definitely not going to help you out. These things are made for cars. Off-road has been 4-point and 5-point harnesses for years and years and years for a reason. And take the advice of off-road, every racing series and everything else. You need 2 points to hold you down. So they hold you and keep you into your seat. That's one of the things that I don't like about the Click 6, is when you're mobbing and you're just driving along, I don't want my body moving everywhere. I feel like I don't have control of my car. When you're held in with a set of good belts, you don't crank them down on yourself, but you get them a little snug. And when you're going, it takes all of the abuse away from your gut, your muscles, your back, and everything else, but you just feel more comfortable, and in the end, you are safer. So keep that in mind, guys. We're also stocking a lot more of the Dragonfire harnesses. So we got the 2-inch harnesses, and we got 2 different styles. We also got PRPs on the website. So the first style I'll show you here, these are the basic Dragonfires. They're a 2-inch belt. They're fully padded, so they're really nice. They don't wear into your neck or anything like that. They're quickly, easily removable, and these ones have like the race latch on the bottom to lock together. These are about $10 cheaper than these ones, and this is their quick release version. So it has this little buckle that you pull up, and it makes it really nice, so you can just pop it and loosen the belt and get them loose if that's what you or her wants. These ones also have the DOT type connector. Now, a lot of people don't like those. I personally run those. It's just my opinion. It's everybody's opinion on what they want. But hey, if you guys are looking for some harnesses, we also have the harnesses, and they'll be listed with this product on the site. So with that said, let me show you the inside of this KRX. You can kind of see the behind the seat area. And we've been the only people really making anything, and we've made a harness bar tabs kit that comes in and moves this harness bar back. The competitor's bar is up here. So ours has been back further, so it didn't get in the way or anything, and that's been a big advantage. But our new one's going to mount up here into these bolts. So you'll see you got an inner and an outer. Do not mess with the outer bolt. That's one's keeping everything stationary, and you don't want to mess with that. So simply going to start, I'm going to pull the inside. It's a 17 millimeter. I'm going to use electric ratchet so we can get through it quicker for the video, but it's pretty straightforward to put this in. It takes about 5 minutes. Okay. Now, one of the first things you'll notice is we give you brand new 10.9 hardware, and they're all flanged. So they're some of the nicest hardware there is. So with that said, the first thing you're going to do is take the washers, and you're just going to set that thick washer on each side. And basically, these give you just enough spacing above the plastics. We've got 3 or 4 different KRXs running around with our new harness bars. Been out, we've been doing a bunch of testing on them stuff. I personally took out a KRX 2 weeks ago, and let me tell you, I beat that thing. And me and my wife, we just had no issues with this new bar, so it was awesome. So next step, you're gonna take your bar. I'm gonna pull the hardware out. And I'm gonna set it in there across, and I'm gonna try to line up this first bolt. It's probably hard to see me doing this, but this is Brian's new KRX. It's got 2 miles on it, and figured it was a good one to do the demo. But he's got the soft back window. I guess that's another thing to say too. This works with the full rear window and the soft back window, so you have no issues on either one. Make sure I don't cross thread that thing. Yep, I think I got it. I saw the dancing. Okay. First bolt snug down, go do the other side, get that in. Okay, and as you're seeing, I'm getting it nice and tight. Now you want to go back to the other side and do it. That's pretty much it. If you take a look at the bar, you guys are going to see how well it is in there, how you have just enough room in the backside so you can stick your harnesses back here or up in the front, wherever you want, but it's a 1/2-inch bolt and takes the bolt-through style mounts. This won't work with the wraparound ones. Some people think that you can put it right through here, but we really suggest you put it right here and do the bolt-in style. We'll even have new mounts. So if you have harnesses that are already wraparound and you want to reuse them, you totally can. You just need the bolt-on flange bracket. By the way, I'll show you here on these harnesses. This is what we're talking about. So this will be on all 4 mounting points of your seatbelt. So left, right, and the 2 tops, and that's what bolts to the seat. So pretty simple, pretty smart way to do it, and it's strong, guys. That is something you can rely on, as well as a good set of belts. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I think I've covered it. Jake from Full Access UTV, thanks for watching, guys. Please click that like and subscribe. We'd much appreciate it. Thanks.